Yeah!
Wow!
Wow!
I call this one Love Potion Number Boo.
I call it the Spooky Graveyard Surprise.
Will you marry me, Rumi?
Yes, I do.
Thank you all for celebrating with us.
Oh no! What happened?
It's all right, Rumi. I'm right here. We'll get you some help.
But I just want to try my luck.
Don't worry.
Wow. Skincare.
Good. Okay.
That's it. Bye-bye, critters. Wow. Ew, blackheads. Thank you so much. Let's begin. Next up, done. Go back. Yes! Blackheads. Gone and done. We need an under-eye mask as well. What's inside? Let's take a look.
Good. I like it.
That's it.
Tasty. Tasty.
Wow. Oh, look. Rumi has a scratch on her face.
Oh no.
Nothing here.
I know what can help you.
Don't worry.
Wow. Look at those eye bags. They are begging for help.
Wow.
We just have to wait. And don't forget the lips. Perfect. Wow, I love this color. Oh, looks like it's time for us to remove eye mask.
And
You can't go back.
well, thank you.
Whee! How pretty. Well done. Rumi has bushy eyebrows. Let's trim a pair of scissors. Those eyebrows nicely. Your eyebrows will be prettier.
Oh no, what happened to your face?
Facial wash. Keep clean. Rub it well till it's foamy. Much better.
Good. Let me help become more beautiful.
Oh. Awesome.
Wow! Okay, let's go!
Ooh, sticky. It's the cleaning slime. Facial mask. Let's open it. Ice globes! Ice globe massage time! Time to take it off.
Whoa!
Good.
Well done!
I like it. Oh my gosh, you need to do your makeup right now. Come here.
That's it! Let the makeover begin! Nothing here! Face powder! Cool! It even comes with a cute powder puff! What's missing? Yes! Cool! It even comes with a cute powder puff! Perfect! Ooh, it smells so good! And it makes you look awesome too! Perfect! Contact lenses! Wow! And some pretty makeup, of course! That's awesome! I think that's it! Fabulous! An eyeshadow palette! Wow, the shade suits you very well!
No.
Oh, yes.
I love it!
Woo! Wow.
Now on the other eye. Wow, a mascara tube! Yippee! It's gonna make your lashes look super pretty.
Oh.
Now on the other eye for long lashes. That's awesome! Look, it's a volumizing mascara for Rumi's lashes. Wow, look at how pretty! Oh, wow, an eyebrow pencil.
Okay.
Nice. We got a... Yay! It's a nice shade of shiny and pink.
Good.
What's missing? Oh, wow, it's a blush on. Oh, so pretty.
Good.
Well done!
No! And Rumi's hair. Her hair is so pretty. Ta-da! Wow. So pretty. The pearl necklace. Jewelries.
Wow. Good.
Well done!
It's nice to be back. My king is waiting for me.